Hi, all. So today I'm explaining what is method chaining in JavaScript. So if you have used the jQuery, you might be seeing codes like $ul dot add class. Then let's say add a class ABC dot remove class XYZ. So you might be seeing codes like this. So basically, what this doing, it's selecting the elements UL element and adding a class all the UL elements, and for all those UL elements adding class ABC and removing class XYZ. So this video will be explain how we can achieve this one. Okay, so I have created a HTML file here. So it's basically have one UL. Let me close it. Okay, UL, and I added a couple of item 1 2 3 here, and I created a classes a color and bold. So already applied a color class here. So what I will be doing, I will be removing this color class and I will be adding bold class using method chaining. So you can see the UI here, how it's look like initially. And let's go to the script page. So what I will be trying to do, dollar the selector, let's say for the time being it's ul dot add class. What is the class we need to add? It's bold, and we need to remove the color class also. Dot remove class color. So yeah, so the before explaining how to write like a dollar, I'll be rewriting this into another form for better understanding. Let's say, instead of dollar, let me see new. We'll be creating a uh, class, or like a constructor function called, let's say, mini jQuery. Okay, so we'll write this one first and then we will convert into dollar. Okay, so what we have to do, so as you see, we have a constructor function. So let's first write that function. What is the name? Mean jQuery. Okay, okay, so we are passing the selector here. Okay, so how we will select the elements from the DOM using selector document dot query select selector, all right. So let's say document dot query select role and selector. Yes, and we are assigning into a this variable. Let's say this dot elements. Yes, okay. Now, what will happen if I create an object of this constructor function? Let's say let element equal to new. Let's say ul, right? So what this will return, we will debug and see. So this will basically return the this of from this constructor function. So let's see that. Okay, let me open the. Okay, seems. Yeah, let me open the console here. So let me move this to somewhere. Okay, so it's showing some error. Let's see what is that. Oh, okay. So we haven't created in this yet, right? So for the time being, I'm commented it out. So let me okay, refresh it. So what we are getting here, so if you console here, we can see a object of mini jQuery is created, and which has one this property, that is elements. We get the element here also. Okay, so this is the UL. Okay, so Okay, now we have to add these methods, add class and remove class. How we can add? We usually add it to the prototype of this constructor function mini jQuery. So let me add that way, mini jQuery dot type. Yeah, so prototype dot add class. It's a function. So as an argument, we have to take the class name that's supposed to be added class name. So I'm adding this now. So what I have to do, I have to add this class to all the elements I extracted from this query selector. Okay. So what I will be doing, this dot elements dot for each element and class list dot add class name. Okay. So what this basically doing, this will for it will iterate to the elements written from the query selector and add the class to every object. So if we run this code, we can see the class is added. So let's see element dot add class. It's a class name bold, right? So if we run it, okay, let's see, something went wrong. I see class name. Add class name bold. Do we have bold? Yes, we have. So what is the issue? Dot add. Yeah, the issue was I mistyped this class list to caps. Can you see? So you can see the bold class is added here. So now, but now, how can we call it like method chaining? So in order to do that, we have to just return this. Okay, return this. Now let me add the other class also. Sorry, let me add the other methods also. The remove class dot prototype dot remove class. Okay, equal to function. So let here also we are adding receiving the class name. So the same code we have to write here instead of add remove. So this way we can do this chaining. Okay. So what will happen, so let's say if I write dot add class bold, then dot remove class, what is that, color. So what will happen here, so when we create an object, we it will return this. Okay, this and when we add class, basically it's adding that class and again it will return this. So that's why we are able to do chaining. So we are returning this. It's the same as like same as you call like this. Okay, and here also remove class, after doing the operation it's returning this. So we can debug it and see it here. Okay, so comes, so dot log, if I console log element, we can see every step we are getting the this returned. So let me run it. So if you go here, you can see min jQuery elements. So but if you consoling dot add class, you can see the same here also. Because why? Because we have returned this from the add class method. So if you debug here, you can see the same, this is returned from this method also. That's why we are able to do the chaining. Then let me remove class. Simple. The end, you can see it's added class bold and removed the color class. Okay. Now, how can we convert this to element? Let me see, new dollar element dollar something. Convert this to dollar. How can we call this? Okay, so for that, we just need a simple function dollar. Then select. Then what do we have to do? We have to return this constructor function. Return select. So we are just replacing. This is how we can replace this with a dollar. So it's like a kind of a replica for the jQuery. So if you run it, you can see the same results. Yeah. And let me console this element dollar also. You can see this is the same. This is returned from the element dollar. And this is okay. Console is not a function. Oh, console.log. So if you see the same, this is written from that. So this way, it's a simple code. You can write this way also. So another example, I can show, like let's say a calculate method we can like dot add dot multiply, something like that. So let's say new calculator dot add 5 dot multiply 10. So let's see how we can write this also. So first we need to create the constructor function. So let me create calculator. Then this dot value, initially I'm setting it to 0. Then I have to create this two functions also. I will add it to the prototype dot add equal to add is a function, value. So what will happen? It's an add, right? So this dot value becomes um, this dot value plus val, right? Same way, the multiplication also we can write multiply. And okay, now let's try to call this function console dot, okay, result equal to, no, it should return 50, right? So let's see whether it's returning 50. It's showing some error here. What is that? Oh, we missed two. Okay, so we are getting some error here. Let's see what is that. Cannot read properties of undefined multiply. So what we did mistake is we forgot to return the this. Return this. So let me run it. Okay, let me console it. Yeah, we can see it's returned. Okay, then better we can return. Yeah, it's returned 50, the same object we can see the value is 50. Yeah, so it's more readable. That's one advantage using this method chaining in Java.